Hi, I am Reeba Mariam John. I am the business faculty at Explore Education. Today I will share more information about Pearson BTEC. So let's start with what is BTEC. BTEC is Business Technology and Education Council, which offers high quality, career focused vocational qualifications. BTEC courses are work-related courses and are ideal for any student who prefers practical-based learning. After doing BTEC, you can further study at university or directly enter the workforce. Let's talk about various levels in BTEC. BTEC levels range from level 1 to level 7. BTEC level 1 and 2 are equivalent to GCSE O-level qualifications. BTEC level 3 is equivalent to A-level study. And BTEC level 4 and 5, which are called as higher national diplomas, are equivalent to first and second year of graduation. Here are some interesting facts about Pearson BTEC. There is no exam pressure as there are no exams, and all assessments are based on submission of assignments, and it's a very practical and flexible approach of learning where they focus on developing subject-centered skills. BTECs are excellent pathways to universities. 2000 BTEC courses are available over 16 sectors, and they are taught over 70 countries and taken by more than 1 million learners every year. 25% of the students who graduate in UK, they have a BTEC, and 90% of the BTEC students, they get employment immediately after graduation. Thinking about how you will be assessed? Let me explain it for you. All assessments are based on a mixture of classroom-based learning and practical work. The mode of assessment is through regular coursework submissions. For example, for a digital marketing assignment, the student has to research over various marketing strategies and develop a detailed digital marketing campaign for a specific organization. Assessments are done internally and externally before the release of certification. At Explore Education, we offer international foundation programs and higher national diplomas ranging from level 2 to level 5. We also offer specializations in human resource management, marketing, accounting, cybersecurity, application development, and data analytics. At Explore Education UAE, we focus on delivering quality education through practical exposure by involving students in industrial visits, internships, and event participation so as to make them employment ready. For more detailed information about our programs, please do visit us and get a free counseling session. And don't forget to subscribe our channel.